Are you tired of spending countless hours editing your videos? Do you want to make your video creation process faster, smoother, and more efficient? Look no further, because today we are going to talk about Invideo, the ultimate video editing software. Hello, and welcome to the GBRLIFE vlog. I'm Caitlin, and as I just mentioned, this week we are discussing Invideo. Have you heard of this online video editing software that allows you to create high-quality videos for your social media channels, YouTube, and other online platforms? If you haven't, this online editor comes with a vast library of pre-made templates, stock footage, and images, making it easy for you to create videos without any design or editing skills. And to really give everyone a good breakdown of this tool, I will be discussing price, the pros and cons, and my overall opinion as you get this look at what it does via the video itself. So if this sounds right for you, make sure to keep watching and smash that subscribe button so you can keep watching more tutorials, parenting hacks, and reviews like this. Because on the GBRLIFE, you will find weekly videos in addition to a blog, podcast, and an awesome clothing line to keep you comfy and stylish called Mama Koala. Now let's get into the fun stuff. Right after my 7-second intro, let's get into it. Let's first talk about how Invideo works. This user-friendly platform that allows you to create videos in 3 easy steps. First, you select a template that suits your needs or start from scratch. Second, you customize your video by adding text, images, and other elements. And finally, you export your video in the desired format and quality. Invideo also comes with a powerful AI engine that suggests the best images, transitions, and effects for your video based on your inputs. This AI feature makes Invideo stand out from its competitors and saves you a lot of time and effort. So why use this if you know how to make a video already? Well, there are many reasons why you should use Invideo for your video editing needs. First, it's a cloud-based platform, so you don't need to download any software or worry about storage space. Second, it's affordable, with pricing starting at just $15 per month, making it accessible to everyone, but don't worry, we will talk more about price soon. Third, Invideo has a vast library of templates and stock footage, making it easy to create high-quality videos quickly. And last, Invideo's AI engine saves you a lot of time and effort by suggesting the best elements for your video. In other words, it's just easier and faster for simple video creation. But now let's talk some pros and cons about this site. Pros: 1. User-friendly interface. Invideo has a simple and intuitive interface that makes video editing easy for anyone, even those with no experience. 2. Affordable pricing. Invideo is an affordable option for those looking to create high-quality videos without breaking the bank. Plans start at just $15 per month. 3. AI-powered editing. Invideo's AI engine suggests the best images, transitions, and effects for your video, saving you a lot of time and effort. 4. Vast library of templates and stock footage. Invideo has a huge collection of templates and stock footage, making it easy to create high-quality videos quickly. And now those cons. 1. Limited advanced features on lower price plans. Some of the more advanced features are only available on the higher price plans, so you may need to upgrade if you require those features. 2. Limited customization options. While Invideo's templates are great for creating videos quickly, there are limitations on how much you can customize them. 3. Some lag in video preview. Invideo's preview window can be slow to load at times, which can be frustrating when trying to edit your video. 4. You can't download anything until you pay for the subscriptions, with limitations on how many videos you can download a month. Now, let's take a look inside of Invideo.
Here we are inside of Invideo. Now, first things first, as I always say, you can see all of what Invideo can do right from the main page. They do describe exactly what they do. And as you continue to scroll down, you can continue to see exactly what they do. So you do not have to try this without getting a chance to read it. And of course, you're watching this video. And then there's the pricing. If you want to create anything, you can do it completely for free. No credit card is required. So while I'm not talking about pricing, you do have an opportunity to try this without actually having to buy it. But there are limitations. So let's go into what Invideo looks like. I'm going to go ahead and go to the next tab, and this is the dashboard. You can choose from templates to create videos. You can do text to video. You can start with stock media, or you can just go straight to their editor and create a video based off of things you've already recorded, like this screen recording, and then go ahead and create a video from it. Now, a lot of people might be interested in the text to video. I know I was, because I write scripts for all of my videos and content. I am a writer first, so if I crack a joke, that's probably on the fly. But if you were to do, text to video, you just go ahead, grab, I'm just going to select one of them, doesn't really matter which it is. From here, you can decide if you want to do landscape, square, portrait, and for YouTube, of course, you're going to want to do that landscape. For Instagram post, you'll want to do the square, and for most social media, you'll stick with that portrait mode. I'm going to go ahead and select landscape because really it just doesn't matter. Now over here for the script writing portion, you do have to limit your text to 50 sentences, and it's based off of sentences. Now, you would have to write your script, and you'd have to say like, hello, oops, I don't know why I keep saying that. Hello, there we go. I had my hand wrong on the keyboard. Hello, this is a test for the screen record. Now for the next sentence, I'd have to do this. Instead of saying, hello, this is a test for the screen record, and I hope it goes well, I'd actually have to say, if I want this to be on its own, I don't want to say slide because they're videos, but on its own screen, I guess, I don't know how to say that, I'd have to go ahead and put that on another line, so it would be its own sentence. And you can only do up to 50 of these on the free plan. So, and I hope it goes well. Let's just add like 2 more sentences. This is going to be a test, as I keep saying, love in video, hate in video. What do you think? And of course, please tell me, what do you think? Go ahead and write that below. Now on the bottom over here, you'll see that you can select free. You can add iStock or premium images, but if you do that on the free plan, they will put large watermarks. And I mean, it'll be like across the screen watermark. So I suggest that anybody who's doing this, don't select your premium images with those big watermarks. It's just going to make your video look bad. So stick with the free, and then you just press create screen. Now on the cons, I did mention the lag time, and you can see from here, this is not just my internet like I say all the time. It actually is Invideo, and I can tell the difference because sometimes my internet, isn't great and it takes forever. But I can, if I were to plug directly into my router, not the router, whatever. If I were to plug directly into my internet and my home, I would go very quickly, and I've done things like that just to check things. But in this case, it wouldn't make a difference. It's Invideo that takes a long time. Now, that being said, it wasn't too terribly long. And I'm glad that, it didn't take forever to create it, but I only had 6 sentences. So, if you're going to do 50, consider that 6 sentences took about 30 seconds. So doing the math, it's going to take a couple of minutes there for 50 sentences, and that can be annoying. So just keep that in mind. But that doesn't mean that your video won't be exactly what you're looking for. And even then, you can see it's still not done creating it. Like you can get an idea of what they plan on putting there. And I hope it goes well, and they put like Stitch from Lilo and Stitch, or at least a variation of that. and I hope it goes well. And this is going to be a test, as I keep saying, and they put a seal, which is kind of weird, but that's fine. Oh, and you can also add your logo. Love Invideo. Oh, that's a love kind of thing there, so that kind of makes sense with it. But you get this is completely automated. See, I'm not writing, I'm not selecting a photo, I'm not telling it what to do. It's doing its own thing. Okay, I'm trying to go back up to the first one. So I called the very first one, hello, this is the test for the screen record. And again, 6 sentences, and we're still waiting for this to finish loading. So already I'm like, it's a 30-second story block or video, and you're taking forever. Okay, here we go. Hello, this is a test for the screen record, and I hope it goes well. See, I think that these videos are pretty awesome when you're just doing something, especially for social media, something quick. You can definitely, for example, take your blog post, if you are a blogger, and put just some of like teasers with what you want to talk about and create them into stories, or just blog posts, or even reels or TikToks, that will take up less of your time, get kind of the point across to people, or give them like a little teaser of these videos. So I do think that Invideo is really great for that. It's going to cut down on a lot of time, except for how long it takes to buffer. But really, if you're doing this in bulk because you have things done ahead of time, if you are interested in doing something like that, make sure to check out my video about ClickUp, because it really is a great way to get your life scheduled and everything figured out ahead of time for your business. But anyways, the point is, this is a pretty good tool for that. It did take a while, but you see how pretty, intuitive this is. And you can, and again, this is just on the free. So none of what you just saw is anything, fantastical. I didn't try to make it good. Like, I just said, hey, do your thing kind of thing. And then that's just this project. So that was just the text to video. But you can also, if I go back to the dashboard, remember there's templates. So if I were to go to a template, these are already pre-made. So you see they have like, you can do your stories, you can do your reels, your TikToks, and they will go ahead and make it awesome for you without you even really having to try. Again, this is on the free version, and there's a lot more options on the paid versions. You can look at the stock media. It's not very complicated to figure out. Like this, it's, maybe not a 5-year-old can do it, but it's nothing too dramatic. And then you can go over to the editor. You select which way you want to do it. We're going to just stick with landscape because this is a YouTube video, and I think that for anybody who does YouTube videos, you can kind of get an idea of this, but also even like shorts for YouTube. And then you just go ahead and add your files. Go ahead and add your files. Go ahead and add your files to this, and then you would just edit it like you would any other video, and make it as good as possible. But again, on the free version, you can just see like there's just not that much you can do. They limit it because they want you to add more. They want you to pay so that you can add more to it. And they kind of give you some ideas of what is pro and what isn't. But it's a little limited into telling you until you start to get really into things and you want to start adding more. And then you realize like, oh, I can't add that because that's something to pay for. So they just like don't give you the option to begin with. Like, so all of this I can use for free, but it's just not that much, right? But once you pay for it, they'll add a whole bunch more. So that's basically what Invideo is. And I know it doesn't look as fantastical, but remember, like for that text to video, all I did was add a few sentences and it created a video for me. I mean, I could take that same video, edit it, and then make it a little bit better, or I could take that right away if I'm in a rush and just throw it into YouTube or social media or something. And I think that's pretty great. There are other tools that do that, but they're not all free. And ultimately, it's not like, for example, in this case, this was reading what you said and then creating a video from it. When you do it with other things, I'm just going to select a video so it doesn't look boring on the screen. But when you select something else, like another tool out there that's not AI, using AI, you're not going to get the same feel that Invideo gives, because remember, Invideo is using AI to create something for you. So it's looking at what you are doing or saying in order to figure you out. And again, the more you pay, the more it's going to do for you. So, and this is what I'm saying. It gives these huge watermarks. So don't do anything that's that you have to pay, not pay, but that is, you know, premium, or those huge watermarks. I hate that. That looks so ugly. Okay, so now let's get to the other side and discuss price. Oh, but before we do, I do know that all of you are seeing the little avatar that I created. If you do like the avatar, please comment that below, and I will continue to make more videos with Avatar Caitlin, who has purple hair and I do not, but I thought she was adorable, so I used her as my avatar. But if you prefer human Caitlin, then, you know, let me know too. I would love to hear what you think in the comments below. And now let's go talk about price.
Wondering what all of this is going to cost you? Invideo offers several pricing plans to fit the needs and budget of different users. The plans are 1. Business plan. This plan is priced at $30 per month and includes unlimited videos, premium templates, and access to Invideo's AI-powered video editor. 2. Unlimited plan. This plan is priced at $60 per month and includes all the features of the business plan, as well as priority support, team management tools, and custom branding. 3. Enterprise plan. This plan is priced based on your specific needs and includes all the features of the unlimited plan, as well as a dedicated account manager and advanced security features. 4. Free plan. Invideo also offers a free plan that allows you to create up to 60 videos per month, but with limited features. So after using Invideo for a while, I'm happy to say that it's an excellent video editing tool that I would highly recommend for basic needs, but I'm going to give it a 2 out of 5. I found the interface to be user-friendly and the AI feature was awesome. But what you get with the free plan is super basic, and the AI feature was not as intuitive as they make it seem. Plus, the more advanced features are only available on the higher price plan, so it lost 3 stars. But overall, Invideo is a great tool that I will continue to use for my very basic video needs, like a few social media posts or stories. I think it would be a 4 out of 5 if you're looking at this for social media bulk creation to really cut down on time, but it's meant for bigger and better videos. And that's why it's going to stick with that 2 out of 5 star rating for me. Do you have any questions about Invideo? Comment those questions below, or are you interested in a review of another product or tool? Let me know with a comment and I'll review it for you. And if you're interested in reviews like this, check out my other reviews like this one. That's it for this week. Next week, I'm going to discuss Automa, where you can automate your browser by connecting blocks. At least that's what they claim. So be sure to subscribe and click that bell icon so you will be notified when the next awesome video comes out that may help you in your daily life and business. But you don't have to wait until next week, because with all of my content on GBRLIFE.com and my amazing clothing line called Mama Koala, you don't have to be without GBR Life in your life.